Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is serenity. You've done everything that you can and is needed to be done in the season. Now it's time to bounce the ball back into Spirit's hands and let them do their work and catch up to your progress. And in the meantime, you might as well not fret. You might as well not be bothered, worrying and wondering and being troubled like an earthquake, but be a vibration. Go with the flow, because blessings are coming your way. You can't waste you can't rush progress. Through love. Love will attract your crowd. Through release, the inner and doing inner work, with letting go all the negative energy, because negative energy also has weight. You let that go, and the empty parts that are there, you replenish with love, prosperity, grace, and gratitude and joy. Therefore, magnets of the universe, blessings will come your way. Therefore, you know peace. I have a gentle view of life and I welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. You look in an eye, I guarantee it turns and runs the other way. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. Keep working on you, keep evolving, building you to the being that you see and you feel inside, and you will get what you deserve. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.